In this video, we'll learn how to install Python on a MacBook and configure it properly in the terminal. Go to python.org. Go to the Downloads. Download the macOS package. Once the installation is complete, open Terminal to check if Python is installed successfully. Type the command python ---- version. If the version is displayed, Python is installed correctly. If the error command not found, Python appears, it means you need to configure Python in the Mac configuration file. Run the which Python command to see the path of the installed Python, then copy it. Now you need to add this path to the configuration file. The .zshrc file is a configuration file for the Z shell, zsh, which is the default terminal shell on macOS. Open the configuration file. Add the Python path to the file, original. Save the file. Run the source command to activate the configuration. After this, you will be able to use Python in the terminal. Let's check the Python version with python ---- version command. In Python 3 and above, the Python 3 command is used in the terminal to run Python programs. If you want to use Python instead of Python 3, you can create an alias so that Python points to Python 3. Command to create alias is alias python equals python 3. Now let's create a small script to test it. Create a file named test.py and write code to take a name as input and display it. Run the file. If it works successfully, that means Python is installed and working properly. Thanks for watching. Follow for more AI and tech tips.